guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a really long time since I started posting videos. It's been like, I don't know, how many weeks has it been?
Months.
Maybe months, yeah. But she's my, come here, the lighting is not good. The beautiful person is here, and she's really ugly. JK, what are you doing?
She puts lip balm like all over her lips, not on the lips though.
Bro, don't put it on my cheek.
It's cute.
No.
Trust me.
No.
Shush, don't yell.
Bro, look at my...
Guys, look, she scratched.
I did not scratch her. Bro, you poked my eye, you idiot. Oh. I didn't scratch her. She made a mistake going into the haunted house and someone scratched her.
It's probably around. All the ghosts, no one knows.
Mama. Where are you? She went up to get my bag. Oopsies. No. I really cut my finger. I mean my toe. Not fully. Bro, look at my hair. It's already ruined. Something is wrong with it. I'm going to school, guys.
Yeah.
Mummy, దేంట్లో పెడతావా మా అన్ని? అదే నీ బ్యాగ్ లో సైడ్ లేదు.
సైడ్ ఉండవు.
ఓకే. ఇస్ ద జీప్ వచ్చిందా? ఇక్కడ?
We have a car and a jeep.
We're going in the jeep, right? We're going in the jeep.
If they put us in the car, we're gonna vibe again.
It's been so long since I've spoken English. Oh my goodness gracious, it's bright! Can you guys see? Can you guys see anything? We're going here to the... That's our... Okay, we should not show actually. ఎక్కడన్నా?
ఇదిగో అక్క ఐప్యాడ్ కోసం ఇది బ్యాగ్ మళ్ళీ సారీ I
interrupted. Bro, can you hold this? Not you. Hold it.
చూసేసి ఒక్కొక్కరిని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయి.
Wait, let's show my sister first. Come here, you idiot. Come here. I want to show your outfit.
There's no lighting.
Oh, shit. Oh. Can you put this over there? Please. Come. Oh, Divya.
What do I do?
Just tell them about your outfit.
Yeah, I got this from online. I don't know what.
You come.
Trends from trends.
I don't know where I brought this. Mummy, come here. Come here. Where did you buy your outfit? Show your outfit. Where did you buy your outfit?
Nari Collections
Where did you buy this?
I got it as a gift. My mom stole it.
from Primark.
You!
I brought this saree in Cherkalurpeta.
This bangles
Bangle in Vijayawada. This.
Okay. This
అదా బాబునే
She's shy, I guess.
She's basically I'm gonna tell you. She's shy because she's scared that if you see her beautiful face, you're gonna get flattered.
Okay. So, Akka, wait, bro. ఎక్కడ కొన్నావు సారీ ఎక్కడ కొన్నావు చెప్పుదా ఇటు వచ్చి చెప్పు సే హాయ్ ముందు ఇక్కడ రా వాళ్ళకి హాయ్ చెప్పు
అక్కడ వీడియోలో హాయ్ అంటే
ఇక్కడికి వీడియోలో హాయ్ చెప్పు
హాయ్ చెప్పు
హాయ్ చెప్పు
హాయ్
అక్షర హాయ్
ఈ సారీ సారీ ఎక్కడ కొన్నావు చెప్పు
సారీ అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉంది కాదు చేసుకుంటాను సారీ అంటే ఎక్కడ కొన్నావు అంటే చెప్పు
హైదరాబాద్
హైదరాబాద్
This girl's mother, she didn't come, but we gave this as a present.